So I'm having a cup of tea one night, and I started stirring it, of course, when I had a little bit of cream and sugar, and I stir it. And I started clinking on the bottom when I noticed that the pitch went up as the liquid slowed down. Now, I know, imagine my surprise, that I was distracted by the sound. And so what I did is I went to work and I asked a couple of friends and a couple of guys that studied physics, and I said, what happens when you're stirring something and you put in a little bit of sugar and milk or whatever, and it slows down and you're tapping on it and the pitch goes up in the cup? What causes that? And lo and behold, nobody knows. So we will do that tonight, and I'll show you what happens, and maybe you guys can figure it out. So of course, in order to make a cup of tea, we need cups. Cup number one. And of course, it wouldn't be a cup of tea unless we had a tea bag. Tea bag. Now we're coming to a very complex part of this exercise where we actually have to put water in the cup. This is a really complicated part of the process where we actually have to put the water into the microwave to heat it. Oh yeah, we need to set the time. I hate that beeping. Just in case there's an attorney watching this video, need to make sure. So don't try this at home. This is strictly for professional use. Parts can be hot, so be careful you don't burn yourself if you do happen to try it. Okay, so we getting excited? The steep. Why do they call it steep? Doesn't look very steep to me. But this is going to take a while. Okay, so this is it's getting exciting. So we'll take out the bag, and then I'll put in, I think I'll put in a little bit of half and half first, and we'll stir it and see what the results are, and then we'll put in some sugar and we'll see what happens. Stays the same, no pitch change. Did you hear it? This is amazing. So I put in sugar, stir it. And so there you go. Rick's phenomena. So tell me, when you just make tea and you stir it, nothing happens. If you put in milk and you stir it, nothing happens. If you put in sugar, and this is especially true with hot chocolate, because the hot chocolate's thicker, I guess, and then you stir it, and it gets swirling, and as it slows down and you start tapping the cup, it goes up, and after a while it'll go away. So after the sugar's dissolved. So it's only when there's particulate matter in there, like chocolate or granules or sugar or something like that. So, okay, what causes it?